relational database management systems were dominant in the early stages of the Internet. But with the explosion of volume in website traffic, websites have increasingly high technical requirements for the relational databases they are using. Non-relational databases have been taking over for Internet services. GaussDB for Redis is a cloud-native NoSQL database with the decoupled compute and storage architecture and full compatibility with Redis. To ensure data security and reliability, it provides multi-copy, strict consistency based on a shared storage pool. GaussDB for Redis has the following advantages: high compatibility. GaussDB for Redis functions as good as Redis cluster does and is 100% compatible with native APIs. You can migrate your on-premises Redis databases to GaussDB for Redis without modifying any code. High availability. Stateless compute nodes can automatically take over services from any node that becomes faulty, and storage pools can be deployed across AZs. Cost-effectiveness. Thanks to a shared storage pool, GaussDB for Redis is able to inexpensively process massive amounts of data. Elastic scaling. Compute node scaling can be achieved in seconds and does not require data migration. Hitless scale-out. A proxy is used to ensure that upper-layer applications are not affected by underlying sharding. These advantages of GaussDB for Redis shine especially bright in the pan-internet industry, including e-commerce, gaming, IoT, travel, smart manufacturing, live broadcast, social networking, and advertising. In the gaming industry, to quickly seize the market, gaming companies need to develop new products to attract players as fast as possible. GaussDB for Redis reduces the complexity of system development and provides flexible capacity expansion for unexpected spikes in demand. It can also meet the data persistence and multiple service provisioning requirements of gaming services. To experience a truly secure, reliable cloud database service, try Huawei's GaussDB for Redis now.